Boil over. Boil over. It means when a hot liquid spills out of a container. For example, I left the milk on the cooker and it boiled over. Cut off. Cut off. It means to remove parts of food by cutting. For example, Jane cut off the top of the peppers and put them in a pot. Eat out. Eat out. It means to have a meal in a restaurant. For example, let's eat out tonight. I want to visit the new restaurant. Take away. Take away. It means to buy prepared food in a restaurant and take it somewhere else to eat. For example, one burger to take away, please. Chop up. Chop up. It means to cut into small pieces. For example, chop up the carrots. Eat up. Eat up. It means to eat all of something. For example, Mary is going to eat up the pizza. She is so hungry. Cut down. Cut down. It means to reduce the amount of consumption. For example, if I want to lose weight, I have to cut down on fast food. Go off. Go off. It means to expire, spoiled, or rotten as of food or drink. For example, I think this soup has gone off. Fry up. Fry up. It means to cook food in hot oil or fat. For example, I am frying up some bacon on the pan. Whip up. Whip up. It means to prepare food quickly. For example, I don't have much time, so I whip up an omelette. Dig in. Dig in. It means used to tell people to start eating the food. For example, dig in, there's plenty for everyone. Mix in. Mix in. It means to add a liquid or some other substance to another. For example, mix in the butter with dry ingredients. Warm up. Warm up. It means to heat a meal which had been cooked before. For example, I want to warm up milk before I pour it into my coffee. Bake off. Bake off. It means to finish baking partly baked food. For example, she baked off the cakes in the oven. Cut up. Cut up. It means to cut something into small pieces. For example, he cut the pie up into small pieces. Pig out. Pig out. It means to eat a lot of food one time. For example, he picked out the burger in one bite. Knock back. Knock back. It means to drink or swallow quickly. For example, when John got to the bar immediately, asked for a big whiskey and knocked it back. Cool down. Cool down. It means to allow hot food to become cool enough to eat. For example, let the tart cool down before serving. Top up. Top up. It means to add more drink to someone's glass or cup. For example, would you like me to top up your wine? Eaten. Eaten. It means to eat a meal at home instead of going to a restaurant. For example, I am too tired to go out, let's eat in instead.